Hello and welcome to my channel Explode Maths. Our today's problem is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is equal to what? So let's simplify it. So here in first step we will write it equal to this 5 is being divided by this 5. So this is same as 5 over 5 divided by this 5 and divided by this 5. Now 5 over 5 is same as 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Now 1 divided by 5 is same as 1 over 5 divided by this 5, and now this is equal to 1 over 5, and this division sign can be converted into multiplication, as here we will write this 5 in this way, 1 over 5, so that now this is equal to 1 divided by 5 times 5 is equal to 25, and that is our final simplified answer. I hope you would have liked it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.